Keri Sharbat and Kokum Sharbat, bringing 2 desi and refreshing summer drinks for you today. Let's get started. Kokum has been known as grandma's cure to acidity since ages. It is a sour yet cooling summer fruit which aids in digestion. Into this, I am adding 1 cup of water. Here, I am using 1 cup of dried kokum rinds which are available to buy online. I am draining out the dirty water. Now, I am adding hot water and letting it soak for 30 minutes. Next, in a grinder, I am adding the soaked kokum and 1 cup of sugar. Now let's grind this. Once it's done, you will see a thick paste. Let's remove it in a bowl. Time to strain the pulp. I'm adding 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of black salt and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder or jeera powder. Let's mix this well. Our Kokum Sharbat is ready. Now let's move on to Keri ka Sharbat. Keri or raw mango has a very sharp and sour taste. It is full of vitamin C and is cooling in nature. In a grinder, I am adding the chopped raw mangoes, 1 cup of mint leaves, half a cup of sugar and half cup of water. Let's grind this. This is done. Let's remove this in a bowl. Now, time to strain the mixture. I am adding 1 teaspoon of black salt, 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder or jeera powder and 1 teaspoon of regular salt. Next, I am adding 2 cups of chilled water. Let's mix it well. Our Keri Sharbat is ready. Throw in some ice cubes and pour the sharbats. Here goes kokum. And here goes Keri. And these are ready to relish. This summer, make these chill drinks for your family and enjoy. Until we meet again, eat well, live well and stay blessed.